and much prayed for adoption, correct?
Yes.
And you are here today asking that the judge make something official that really has existed for quite a long time now, which is that you're the parents, you and your husband, of these two wonderful children, correct?
Yes.
And they have been in your home for quite a long time. Is that correct?
Yes.
And I think Liam was first placed with you in October of 2017, correct?
Yes.
And then Huntley was with you kind of back and forth, of course, but he originally was with you all in October 2016, correct?
Yes.
And of course, he's been back with you since September of 2018 and remained with you since then, correct?
Yes.
So really what exists in your home and in your heart and in your family is that these are your children.
Yes.
But you would like to make it legal and permanent and final and forever today?
Yes.
And you understand that when the judge grants this adoption,
Yes.
And are you asking the judge to make the legal reality match in your home?
Yes.
Are you asking that the judge change your children's names as was prayed for?
Yes.
And are you making a promise to the judge? A very important promise. She's been an advocate for children for many, many years, long before she even took the bench as a judge. Are you making a promise that she can think about these children again, but she never has to worry about them and know that they're loved and cared for and with a wonderful family?
Yes.
And ma'am, as the judge has been just remarking on how amazing this is, that we have so many people with us today, and you have a lot of family that's here from overseas, correct?
Yes.
And so is there anything that you would like to say to the judge or to CPS or to CASA or the attorney ad litem or any of your family and friends, or any of your family and friends who are here today?
Well, thank you so much for praying for our family, and that's it.
That's okay. It's perfect. Thank you very much. I pass this witness.
Ms. Borfield-Smith, do you have any questions? I think she's frozen.
Oh, dear.
We will keep proceeding with the hearing, and I know she will rejoin us. Oh, there she is.
Can you hear me now, Your Honor?
Yes, ma'am.
I was frozen, and I don't have any questions.
Thank you,
but
ma'am.
I take just a moment to have Leilani and Mike on my screen to wish them a wonderful life with Liam, and I know with their other son. Even though I have not met the other son personally, I know he is just as lucky as Liam is. These folks have been committed to these children from the moment I became involved in this case, which was from the very beginning of their placement. And I want to honestly and sincerely thank them for their efforts. They spent many hours in the courtroom leading up to this case, to this point. And if we could have these kinds of parents with this kind of commitment for every child in this world, we'd be a much better place.
Thank you, Ms. Borfield-Smith. That was so beautifully put. Ms. Hyde, you may proceed.
Thank you, Judge. Well, I would like to go to the dad now, to Mike as my next witness. And hello, Mike. Your name, please.
Michael Uy.
And Mr. Uy, you are dad, correct? In fact, the reason we're here today is because you're dad and your wife is mother.
Yes,
correct?
That's right.
And what you're asking the judge to do is very much what your wife said. You're asking to make something that already exists legal and permanent and final and forever and for always. Correct?
Yes. Correct.
Now, you understand, sir, that with the granting of adoption, very importantly, what the judge is doing is giving you and your wife all of the legal rights, duties, and responsibilities under the law, but also the privileges that come with being these two beautiful boys' parents forever. Is that what you're asking her to do today?
Yes, correct.
And as part of that, are you also making a promise to Judge Halford that if she grants this adoption, she'll think about these boys, I'm sure, but she does never have to worry about them?
Yes, I do.
And sir, you have a lot of family here from the Philippines, you and your wife, correct?
Yes, that's right.
And is there anything you would like to say to your families or if any of your friends or to CPS, Starry, the ad litems, the judge, Casa, anyone who's here with us today?
Yes, I'd like to thank everybody for praying with us, for supporting us and bearing with us. Also, just being there through the ups and downs of this journey with us. When we started this, we didn't really know what to expect, but they helped us through it all, especially Starry, Miss JJ, and everybody at Starry have been very supportive. Also, Austin Angels, we have had a lot of support. So thank you, everybody, including our family and friends.
Thank you, sir. Pass this witness, Your Honor.
Ms. Borkfield-Smith, do you have any questions?
I don't have any questions. I just want to make sure that Mike knows that my earlier statements were absolutely directed to both of you.
Thank you.
All right, Ms. Hyde, do you have any further witnesses?
Well, just something very briefly, Your Honor, and unfortunately, I don't know if you know this, but I'm not able to see anybody other than a few people that have been speaking, and not sure what my glitch was today, so I can't see this, but I'm hopefully you can see everybody. I would like to ask all the family and friends and anyone that is here with us today, if they can give the judge and the family a sign of their support. It can be a thumbs up, it can be a heart, whatever you want to do. Just let the family and the judge know how you feel about this, please. And I wish I could see it. And Judge, I have nothing further. I would rest.
Thank you. We did hear from Ms. Borkfield-Smith a bit earlier, but if you would like to add anything else, Ms. Borkfield-Smith, at this time?
Your Honor, I really don't have anything else to add. I just felt it was important to make my earlier statements directly to the parents, as I would have, excuse me, in the courtroom. This is an occasion that I know all of us who do this kind of work look forward to immensely. And my only regret this morning is that I'm not able to, as was earlier said, give a proper hug all around by being a person. I support this. I believe I am speaking for my client in that this is absolutely what his wishes are, and I know that he will have a good and prosperous life with his family.
Thank you so much, Ms. Borkfield-Smith. Well, I just want to say hello to the family, and again, how honored I am to be able to make this family, who's already family legal. It's been all morning now. I've been watching your boys, Liam and Huntley, running around, and what a beautiful thing that is for me to see them with their parents in their home. I just want to say to each of you, and that can each of you hear me, or just Miss?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
I want to say to each of you that the journey you've been through has been a long one. In these cases, the very hardest thing on a judge is when a return and monitor does not make it. It is so difficult on the children. I will never have the understanding of what the child actually goes through. But for Liam, when I heard that the foster family, you, both of you, were there, available, and taking him back, I cannot tell you what a relief that was for me and his advocates and everyone that loves and cares for him. And then when I learned more about you, and just the incredible patience that you had when he came back to your home, because we know children don't understand what's going on, and it was very, very difficult for him. And I heard about the love and the patience and everything, the dedication to Liam. And then when I was learning about more of your story through Miss Hyde, that there was another child with such a similar path that came through your home, and how this journey has brought these brothers on such a similar path directly to you. And then I know with our case, not only did you go through that experience, but it also went through the appellate process. So you were patient during that time. So the patience that you have in your heart is just a true reflection of your love and your devotion and understanding of what the big picture is. And that when God brings people together, it's at the right time, at the right moment. And we learn lessons from that we don't quite understand. But to see the four of you together in your home is just wonderful. The boys look like twins from here. And so I'm just very happy for you, and just happy to see you as a family together. I'm very honored to make the findings and orders and the proposed adoption decree. I'm going to make the name changes for Huntley to Huntley Godfred Ewing and Liam Benson Ewing, but it's not going to be official until all of us on this call see the four of you unite in a hug, because that's when it will become official. All right, all four of you, let's hug.
Oh, Leon! Come here, honey. Little, sit with mommy because it's gonna be. Look.
And that's what parenting's about. Congratulations. We're so happy for you. And then to all the family members here, if we were in court, then y'all would take pictures in the courtroom, celebrate in the courtroom, go outside, continue talking, go to lunch, have a party. I know we don't have that now, so I want you to be able to use this format and say anything you want to this beautiful family. This is your moment. Does anyone have anything to say to Mike and Leilani and Huntley and Liam? And you may at this time.
Huntley or Sasha? Congratulations, family.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
We're so happy for you.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Daddy and Mike. We're all happy for you.
Congratulations. Come here, Huntley. Come here. So happy.
Congratulations, Huntley.
We'll give you a hug sometime in the future.
Congratulations, Huntley and Liam. Mike, Lay. God bless you.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
So happy for you guys. Love you.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Mike and Lenny.
Thank you, Paul.
Congratulations, Lani.
Thank you.
Mike.
Thank you, Marik.
Congratulations,
Masaya kami
Mommy.
para sa inyo.
Mike.
Thank you.
I wish I could give you a hug.
Lailani and Mike, it's answered prayer.
Thank you po, yes.
We're happy for you, Mike and Lani.
Thank you.
We are happy for you, Ate Lane, Kuya Mike.
Thank you, Mira.
Congratulations.
Gosh, what a blessing. We love you. Big hugs. Big hugs.
Big hugs. Oh,
I love you.
I love you.
Hi, Liam. Hi, Liam. Mike. You're in the Philippines.
Hardly. Huntley. Huntley, I think your classmate is here. I don't know if that's Carter or Hudson. But we cannot see them.
Well, I know sometimes people don't want to talk when the judge is on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give y'all some privacy. I'm going to step off the call, and please know that you can stay on this format as long as you want. Please visit, enjoy one another. And again, thank you very much for making my day. Thank you for opening your heart to children and being patient through the process. And I'm so excited about your lives together and the boys' lives together as they journey as siblings. And I hope when this pandemic is over that you will come to my courtroom, and I have this canvas where I have all the children who've been adopted through my court put their handprint. And so I hope that you have time to do that when this pandemic's over. And congratulations again.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Congrats, Lane.
Hello. Thank you.
Congratulations, Lay. Mike, we're so happy for you.
We didn't see who are logged in, so it's nice to see you all. Thank you.
I'm so happy for you guys.
Congrats again, Lailani.
Thank you. Thank you. Hi, Children. You made it.
Oh, yeah.
Adik. Thank you, Chibray.
You're welcome. Hi, Lynette.
Hey, say hi.
Good to see you both.
Huntley.
Congratulations. Hi.
Hi. Hi, Ate. Huntley's name, middle name is named after Daddy, Godfred.
Wow.
I know who that is.
Liam's middle name is named after Mike's dad, Vincent.
Wow.
What is like this?
Actually, it's Godofredo and Vicente, but we made it like English. Yeah, Godfred and Vincent, English counterpart.
Hi, Huntley.
Thank you, Tita. Oh, Tita Pretty. Tita Pretty.
Congratulations from Paul and Candace.
Oh, thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Love you.
You too. Bye.
Hey.
Congratulations to Pauline.
Bye, Leilani.
Thank you. Oh. Remember, we went to their houses yesterday. Miss Pauline, Miss Candice, Mr. Glenn.
Love the t-shirt.
Thank you. Oh, there, look. Miss Pauline. Oh, Liam is having tantrum already. Liam, we're still gonna have a picture taking.
Hi, Huntley.
Huntley. Oh, she's really go. Huntley is the celebrity politician.
Bye lang.
Hey, Huntley. Huntley, please.
Asa kami datong camera, Beb?
Kaya, nakakuan di atong camera. Tadi siya, tapos sila mira.
Are you
Tapos
happy?
sila mira. Mungkwento to.
It's official. You're now adopted.
Mungkwento yan.
Yay.
Alright. Bye, Lay. Bye, Mike.
Thank you.
Alright, Mike, Lay. See you later.
Thank you for
See you tonight.
Everybody.
God bless.
Thank you for inviting us.
Alright. We're happy for you.
Hugs and kisses.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.